Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of Toyota's most unique and stylish sedans of the 2025 Toyota Crown. If you're looking for a car that blends luxury, efficiency, and performance in a way that stands out from the crowd, this one's worth your attention. The Toyota Crown returned to the US market recently, and for 2025. It continues to push the boundaries of what a premium sedan can be. With its lifted stance, coupe-like roofline, and bold front grille, the Crown doesn't look like your typical full-size sedan. Instead, it carries a distinct, almost crossover-like presence that sets it apart from competitors like the Nissan Maxima, Kia Stinger, or even the BMW 5 Series. Under the hood, the 2025 Crown offers two hybrid powertrains. The standard setup pairs a 2.5-litre four-cylinder with Toyota's hybrid system, delivering 236 horsepower and all-wheel drive. But if you want more excitement, there's the Hybrid Max powertrain, which combines a 2.4-litre turbocharged engine with electric motors to produce a thrilling 340 horsepower. This version also comes with all-wheel drive and a smooth yet engaging 6-speed automatic transmission. Whether you're after efficiency or performance, the Crown has a powertrain that suits your needs. Fuel economy is another major selling point. The base hybrid model achieves an impressive 41 mpg combined, making it one of the most efficient full-size sedans on the market. Even the more powerful Hybrid Max variant manages around 30 mpg, proving that performance and efficiency can go hand in hand. Step inside, and you're greeted by a modern, high-tech cabin that feels both premium and comfortable. Toyota has equipped the Crown with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a matching 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interior materials feel upscale, with soft touch surfaces, available leather upholstery, and heated and ventilated front seats. The elevated ride height makes getting in and out easier, and it provides a commanding view of the road. Technology and safety are also strong points for the Crown. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite comes standard, bringing features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The available digital rearview mirror, panoramic sunroof, and premium JBL sound system further enhance the experience, making this a truly well-rounded luxury sedan. On the road, the Crown offers a smooth and quiet ride, thanks to its well-insulated cabin and adaptive suspension system. The steering is precise, and while it may not be as sporty as a BMW, the Hybrid Max version does provide solid acceleration and confident handling. The standard all-wheel drive system ensures stability in various weather conditions, making it a great choice for those who experience all four seasons. Pricing for the 2025 Toyota Crown starts around $41,000 for the base hybrid model, while the fully loaded platinum trim with the Hybrid Max powertrain can push past $54,000. Given its unique styling, hybrid efficiency, and premium features, the Crown offers great value in the full-size sedan market. So, what do you think of the 2025 Toyota Crown? Is it a luxury sedan you'd consider? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews. See you in the next one.